If I had time, I would talk at length about how my own world has vastly transformed since I was a child growing up in what was at that time the most segregated city in the South, Birmingham, Alabama. So maybe I'll give you an abbreviated version. Or perhaps I'll tell you that whenever I return home, I am struck by the fact that I still remain pretty much a stranger to the geography of the city. Because when I lived there, Black people were confined by the prevalent apartheid system to just a very few neighborhoods. And as a matter of fact, I remember people always talking about over the mountain. Is there anybody from Birmingham in the house? Okay, so you know what I mean, right? But the only Black people who ever went over the mountain were domestic workers. And so things have changed. When I go shopping, if I'm in Birmingham, I am always struck by the invasive memories of the double restrooms and the double water fountains with white and colored marking the ones that were deemed appropriate, racially appropriate.